some sauce.
Search his account, Sean Craig, and search his account. And search his account, Matt Cody. Search my account, Super Thomas. Woo! I love it. Turn down for what? No, stop. Whoa! Guys, look over there. Look, do you see that? Mom. He's calling his mom.
Kemma, stop calling me every 2 seconds.
His little brother's calling. Oh my God. It's raining outside, that's why. You might not be able to.
You might not be able to see, but it's pouring.
Yeah, this is Dallas, Texas.
Okay, I'll come. But it's pouring.
You have to leave.
Hurricane, a little hurricane.
There's no hail.
No, hail, halo.
Oh, there's no hail. It's not gonna hail.
Yeah, it will.
Dude, it's so cool outside.
It feels so nice.
Go.
Guys,
I wanted to go to the pool today.
I did run around. I did go to the pool. These are my swim trunks.
Come on. Dude, well, we're probably gonna ask if we can go
How's
run
it gonna
around.
hurt? Well, I'll hurt.
Right. Come on. Come on, guys. Come on, stop, Ethan. Ethan, let him in. Let him in. Let him in. Stop.
Just kidding. I'm just
Stop.
kidding.
Come on. Let's go ask my mom.
Guys, Ethan, Lex is gonna kill us.
No, she won't.
Yes, he will.
Mom. Can we go run around outside? Please? She can wait.
Yes!
We can go run around.